Mr. Ski Instructor, I need a lot of training fast. I'm gonna race down the K13.
The K13, but you're just a beginner. If you ski out of your league, you're gonna have a bad time.
I have to do this, okay? I have to.
All right, well, if you gotta get good at something really fast, there's only one way to do it. Come on.
The day is approaching to get